All right, so I started learning the guitar yesterday. I got this guitar 4 years ago. Lawrence Oyor inspired me to get a guitar. This was in 2021 of October and November. And for me, my motivation for getting the guitar was not because I wanted to become a professional guitarist. For me, it was just something I wanted to get so that in my own secret place with God, and when I'm just worshiping and just fellowshipping with God, is something I would be able to play right in my own fellowship. That was and that is still my motivation for getting the guitar. It wasn't even like I wanted to just learn an instrument. For me, my motivation for getting the guitar then was sponsored by the fact that it was just something I believe would help my secret place with God and help me in worshiping God. But then I got it, and that was the end. I did not do anything about it. I mean, I tried at